Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs fluffy. To begin, always choose fresh eggs. They truly make a difference in texture and flavor. For that airy, light consistency, incorporate a small amount of liquid like milk or water, which turns into steam during cooking. Remember, patience is key, so cook your eggs gently over low heat to prevent them from becoming tough. Achieving fluffy scrambled eggs involves specific techniques. First, whisk your eggs vigorously until the whites and yolks are completely combined and slightly frothy. When cooking, stir the eggs continuously with a spatula, creating small, delicate curds. The most crucial step is to remove them from the heat just before they are fully set, while they still appear a little wet, as they will continue to cook from residual heat. Certain additions can significantly boost your eggs' fluffiness. Incorporating a teaspoon of butter into your whisked eggs not only adds a rich flavor, but also contributes to a smoother texture. A splash of milk or cream, about 1 tablespoon per 2 eggs, introduces extra moisture. For an even lighter result, a tiny pinch of baking soda, less than 1/4 of a teaspoon, can create a noticeable lift. To truly perfect your fluffy scrambled eggs, avoid the common mistake of overcooking them. This is the fastest way to dry them out. Once they reach that ideal, slightly wet consistency, serve them immediately to enjoy their warmth and delicate texture. Finally, season your eggs with salt and pepper just before serving, as adding salt too early can draw out moisture and affect the final fluffiness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.